Tim was showing me his girlfriend. He was showing me his girlfriend, and then he's oh, not that one, not that one. He probably got a nude picture. And then all of a sudden I see that she was wearing glasses. I said, oh, she's good. She's got glasses, so she can see your little pecker. And then he got in his truck. I said, hey, Tim, she's gonna get you in a fucking a truck wreck. You're gonna be driving and thinking of her a fucking wreck. He said, I told her that. I told her that. The kid wanted the air horn. The Amish kid. Oh.